What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable unnecessary Windows services and speed up your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Regardless of whether your PC is low-end or high-end, having unnecessary services running in the background can significantly slow down your computer. To prevent this, we will go through disabling 12 non-essential services that could be hampering your PC's performance. This process will not only free up resources, but also ensure that your computer operates more efficiently, whether it's brand new or a bit older. First, let's start by accessing the Services window. You can do this by searching for services in your Start menu and pressing Enter. Once the Services window is opened, you'll see a list of all the services currently available on your system. One of the first services you might consider disabling is the ActiveX installer service, especially if you're not using Internet Explorer. Simply right-click on it, go to Properties, and change the setting from Manual to Disabled. Next up is the BitLocker Drive Encryption service. If you are not utilizing BitLocker for encrypting your drives, disabling this service can save resources. Right-click, stop the service if it's running, then disable it via the Properties pop-up window. Another service to look at is the Connected User Experiences and Telemetry service. This service is not necessary for most users and can be disabled to prevent unnecessary data collection and processing. Right-click, stop and disable it by navigating to its properties and changing the startup type to disabled. For those who don't use their computer to send or receive faxes, disabling the fax service can free up some resources. Similarly, the Print Spooler service can be disabled if you're not using your computer for printing. IP Helper is another service that's useful for those playing online games or using certain network configurations. However, if this doesn't apply to you, disabling it can help improve system performance. The Geolocation service and Phone service are also non-essential for many users. If you don't need location services or aren't connecting your phone to your computer, consider disabling these services. For those not using a remote desktop, the Remote Desktop Configuration service is another candidate for disabling. Similarly, if you're not using biometric features, the Windows Biometric service can be safely disabled. Lastly, consider disabling the Windows Error Reporting service to prevent the automatic sending of error reports to Microsoft. And if you're not using Xbox services on your PC, disabling all related Xbox services, such as Xbox Accessory Management and Xbox Live Game Save, can also help optimize performance. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.